Hey everyone, welcome back to Love and Adventure. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or planning your very first getaway, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll cover several vacation tips and tricks to help you travel smarter, save money, and make the most of your trip. Let's dive right in.
Stay a while, stay with me. Stay a while, stay a while, oh. Stay a while, stay a while, stay with me.
Welcome to Love and Adventure.
Section 1, planning your trip. Start planning early. The earlier you start, the better your chances of scoring great deals on flights, accommodations, and activities. Use travel deal websites like Skyscanner, Google Flights, and Kayak for the best airfare. And as a bit of a side note, we can't recommend enough this site called TripMasters. If you're planning on making multiple stops during a vacation, it is excellent for that purpose. Be flexible with your dates. Traveling during off-peak season can save you lots of money and avoid crowds. Research your destination thoroughly. Look for local customs, must-see attractions, and insider tips from travel blogs and blogs. Create a budget. Factor in transportation, lodging, food, activities, and a little extra money for unexpected expenses. Okay, we're putting on our adulting hat here, so what I need you to do is consider travel insurance. It's a small investment that could save you big if something goes wrong. Next, check your passport and visa requirements if you're traveling internationally. Make sure that your passport is valid for at least 6 months beyond your travel dates. Section 2, packing like a pro. Make a packing list. This helps you stay organized and ensures that you don't forget the essentials. Use packing cubes to maximize space in your suitcase and keep your items organized. Roll your clothes instead of folding them to save space and reduce wrinkles. Pack versatile clothing items that can be mixed and matched to create multiple outfits. Always bring a portable charger or power bank to keep your devices powered up on the go. Don't forget a travel-sized first aid kit with band-aids, pain relievers, and any medication that you may need. Invest in one of those thermal reusable water bottles to stay hydrated and to save money on bottled water. Use compression bags for bulky items such as jackets or blankets. Section 3, navigating airports and flights. Arrive at the airport early, especially for international flights, people. We make sure that we're at the airport at least 2 hours before your flight boards, not before it leaves, before your flight boards. At least 1 hour for domestic flights, especially if you're flying Southwest. It's better to have extra time than to feel rushed. Sign up for TSA PreCheck or Global Entry to breeze through security lines. In a lot of cases, there are credit cards that will give you this for free by rebating you on your next statement, the purchase of the TSA Pre or Global Entry. Now, we haven't tried this ourselves. We're still kind of kicking that can down the road, but we plan on getting that done this year in 2025. Pack a carry-on with essentials like snacks, a change of clothes, and toiletries in case your checked luggage gets delayed. Download the airport's app to check in, access your boarding pass, and stay updated on any flights. Also, it is a good practice if you're using an iPhone to put this in your iPhone wallet, or if you're using an Android, just to screenshot your ticket. This is a good practice just in case you have connectivity issues while you're in the airport. This one is essential for Mesha and me. Bring noise-canceling headphones or earplugs to make your flight more comfortable. We never take a vacation without them. Dress in layers for the flight. Airplane cabins can be chilly. Section 4, accommodations and lodging. Book accommodations with free cancellation policies for flexibility. Consider alternative lodging like vacation rentals, hostels, or boutique hotels for unique experiences and savings. Read reviews on websites like TripAdvisor and Google to ensure your lodging meets your expectations. Contact your hotel or host ahead of time to ask about upgrades or special requests. Use apps like Booking.com or Airbnb to find last-minute deals. Section 5, exploring your destination. Start your day early to enjoy popular attractions before the crowds arrive. Use public transportation to save money and experience the local culture. Carry a small backpack or a crossbody bag for day trips. Keep essentials like your wallet, sunscreen, and a water bottle handy. Learn a few basic phrases in the local language. A simple hello or thank you goes a long, long way. Take a guided tour or hire a local guide to gain insider knowledge about your destination. We love the site Viator for this purpose because it seems to be a little more intimate. They're not typically group excursions, so you have a little more flexibility as to what you can do and change. You can almost make it such like a private tour. Of course, do your own research, but Mesha and I really like Viator. We've used it several times on our vacations. Try local cuisine and street food, but make sure to follow food safety tips. We don't want you getting sick on your vacation. That wouldn't be good. Always have some local currency on hand for places that don't accept credit cards. One thing that we've discovered is we like to have about $20 in local currency per day that we're in that country. Section 6, staying safe and healthy. Share your itinerary with a trusted friend or family member back home. Keep a digital copy of your important documents like passport and tickets just in case you lose them. Stay aware of your surroundings, especially in crowded tourist areas. Use a money belt or hidden pouch to keep your valuables secure. Stay hydrated, especially in hot climates. We go to Mexico a lot and other parts of the Caribbean, so we have these reusable water bottles and they come in handy on all of our trips. Dehydration can ruin your trip very quickly. We don't want to go there, folks. And even for us melanated folks, wear sunscreen and reapply regularly to protect your skin. Avoid overpacking your itinerary. Allow some downtime to relax and enjoy your vacation. The worst thing about a vacation is getting home and realizing that you really need a vacation from your vacation because you did too much. Section 7 is kind of a miscellaneous section. I just wanted to bring up the importance of verifying your itinerary and your packing list because on our last vacation, I forgot our travel documents. I left them on the printer. We got 5 hours away by car and had to drive all the way back home, which is nearly 9 hours round trip. And our cruise was leaving in 5 hours. So we were able to scramble, have someone meet us halfway, actually giving them access to our house. And it was a big mess and it could have been avoided had I just followed our own rules of packing. Make sure the night before that you are completely packed so that you're not scrambling and running around like a chicken with your head cut off, especially if you're in a group and it's not just a couple or you're planning for yourself, because you'll only have yourself to blame at the end of the day. Anyway, just wanted to leave you with that. And there you have it, 40 plus vacation tips and tricks to make your next trip unforgettable. Did we miss any of your favorite tips? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit that bell icon so that you never miss an adventure. Until next time, much love, Mesha and Malik.